NG-2020b Cordless Professional Hair Clipper, heavy duty and all metal. So, what's inside? Some stickers, the manual, the clipper itself, clipper guards, charger, a mini brush, and the clipper oil. This clipper has an alloy base and stainless steel cover. 440C stainless steel taper blade. Quick charge with 2500 mAh with LED battery capacity display and a powerful rotary motor of 5800 RPM. It also has a fully closed guard to keep the taper blade protected from any shock that might happen. The taper blade is not yet zero gap, and I will be creating another video tutorial on how to zero gap a clipper, so make sure to click that subscribe button. I will rate this clipper a 10 out of 10. A good clipper with a good price to start with. That's all. Thanks for watching.